In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in Zoho CRM. This is an essential skill for tailoring your CRM environment to meet your organization's specific needs, allowing you to capture all relevant data efficiently. First, you need to log into your Zoho CRM account, ensuring you have administrative rights. If you're not sure about your access level, it might be worth checking with your system administrator, as you'll need these permissions to make the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner where you'll find the Setup option, represented by the gear icon. Click on this icon, then look for the section labeled Customization. Here, select Modules and Fields. This section is your gateway to customizing various modules within Zoho CRM, whether it's leads, accounts, contacts, deals, or any custom modules that you've set up. Now, choose the module you wish to modify and click on the layout that you want to edit. This action will bring up the Layout Editor, which is an intuitive drag-and-drop interface built to simplify the customization process. On the left side of your screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the New Fields tray. This is where you'll find all the different field types available for you to add, such as text, number, currency, pick list, lookup, image upload, and many more. The next step is where the customization gets hands-on. Decide on the field type you'd like to add, then simply drag it from the tray and drop it into your chosen section on the right. This flexible approach allows you to position fields exactly where they need to be for optimal data entry workflow. Once you've placed a new field in your layout, a pop-up window will appear automatically. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the specifics. You'll need to enter a field label, which is essentially the name that will appear to users filling out this field. Also, think about adjusting other properties such as the length of the field, whether it should be marked as required, and any uniqueness constraints. If you're adding a pick list, you can specify the values users can select. For lookup fields, choose the associated module, and if necessary, set a default value for auto-population. After carefully checking all these settings, click Done to close the pop-up. Make sure the new field appears as you intended it to within the layout. If you find that you need to make changes, you can click on the field to reopen its settings. Once you've added and adjusted all the fields you need for your module, don't forget to click on Save Layout. This final step is crucial because it applies and saves all the changes you've just made to the CRM system. By following these steps, you've effectively customized your Zoho CRM module to better capture and manage your business data. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!